Writing code from scratch can be slow and frustrating, right? Especially when all you want is to bring your idea to life fast. But what if you could just tell an AI what you want and it builds your entire app for you? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's real and it's getting better every day. In today's video, I'm going to show you three powerful AI tools that are completely changing the way we build apps and websites. And the best part, they are free to use, at least to get started. No matter if you're just getting started or you have been coding for years, these tools feel like having a super smart AI teammate helping you every step of the way, anytime you need it. From smart autocomplete to full stack app generation using just plain English, these tools can literally save you hours of time and effort. So, if you are curious about the future of AI in web development or just want to build cool stuff faster and smarter, stick around because you are going to love what's coming next. First up, Tray.ai. It's like having a super intelligent coding partner sitting right next to you. Imagine a robot friend who not only helps you write code but also explains it, fix errors, and even builds full projects with just your instructions. That's exactly what Tray.ai does. It's an AI powered coding platform, also known as IDE, which is just a fancy way of saying actually it's a space where developers write and manage their code. But the cool part, this one's powered by AI to make everything faster, smarter, and easier. Now, what makes Tray.ai really cool is how it helps you every step of the way. The code editor is smart and user friendly. It's like typing in a notebook that talks back with suggestions. There is something called builder mode, which is perfect when you want to build an entire app or project quickly. And when you are typing code, Trace auto completion kicks in. It gives you real time suggestions, almost like it knows what you are going to write next. It saves time and effort, especially when you are stuck. One of the best features is the code generator. You don't even need to write all the code yourself. Just tell Trey what you want in plain English, like make a to do list app, and it starts writing the code for you. And if you hit a roadblock or don't understand a piece of code, no worries. Trey has inbuilt AI assistant. You can literally ask it questions, get code explained, or ask it to fix bugs. It even adds comments to your code to help you understand what each part is doing. And for those who want to start a project from scratch, Trey can build all the necessary files and code just from a simple description. It takes your idea and turns it into a working software setup. Now let's talk about what really matters, the free plan. Yes, Trade.ai gives you a powerful free version with no credit card required. You get 10 quick responses from Premium AI, 50 slower but still helpful responses, and 1000 requests using advanced models, which is more than enough for basic use and testing things out. On top of that, you get up to 5000 autocomplete suggestions every month. Perfect if you are learning, experimenting, or just want to explore AI powered coding. Now, Tray.ai is a desktop app, so it requires installation on your system and it works on Mac, Windows 10 and 11, and even Linux. Though the Linux download link may not be easy to find directly on their site, but overall it supports all the major platforms. Next up, Bolt.diy. This one's a bit different, but honestly, it's super exciting, especially if you're into open source tools or you want full control over your projects. So, what exactly is Bolt.diy? Well, it's basically the open source version of Bolt.new, a platform where you can build websites and apps just by talking to AI in simple language instead of writing every line of code yourself. You just explain what you want in natural language, and Bolt helps turn that into working software. But here is what makes Bolt.ui really powerful. It's not just tried of one AI model, it actually supports multiple LLMs that sort for large language models. You can plug in models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Hugging Face, XAI, Mistral, DeepSeek, and even run them locally using tools like Olama, Gemini, or LM Studio. That gives you a lot more flexibility and control over how you use the AI. If you are a bit more technical and want to avoid users' limits, this is a game changer. Another awesome thing is you can even upload images along with your prompts. So if you're asking the AI to help you code something and you attach a screenshot or diagram, it will understand your request better and give you more accurate results. There is also a built-in terminal which is super helpful for seeing what commands the AI is running, checking for errors, and debugging your code in real time. Now, if you mess something up or just want to go back to a previous version of your code, no worries. Bolt.doi has version control built in. It lets you roll back to older versions of your code easily, which is super handy when testing or experimenting. And when you are done with your project, you can simply download it as a zip file or sync it directly with your local folder. That means you are never locked into one place. You can move your project where you want. For deployment, it supports Netlify directory, so you can post your site live with just a few clicks. Plus, if you work with Docker, there is integration support to make setup even smoother. And here is the best part. Bolt.doi is completely free and open source, unlike Bolt.new, which uses a token system with a free tier of 1 million tokens per month. But Bolt.diy can be run on your own computer using your own AI models. That means you can potentially skip the token limitations entirely. If you are willing to set it up, and don't worry, it's not too hard. You basically get a powerful AI web development tool for free without any ongoing cost. So, if you're looking for a tool that gives you full stack of web development features, supports ton of AI models, and doesn't charge you monthly fees, Bolt.diy is 100% worth checking out. It's especially great if you love open source tools or want to experiment with your own AI setups. And finally, Firebase Studio. If you have ever felt overwhelmed switching between different tools to build your front-end, back-end, mobile app and connect it all together, Firebase Studio makes life so much easier. It's a cloud-based, all-in-one workspace powered by AI where you can build your entire app from start to finish in one place. Whether it's web, mobile, or backend services, you can manage it all inside Firebase Studio. What makes it really special is how much AI is built into it. It uses Gemini in Firebase, which means you are not coding alone. You have an AI assistant working beside you in real time, helping you write code, fix bugs, manage dependencies, write documentation, and even test your code. It's like having a super smart coding partner available 24 into 7. You can even chat with it directly, ask questions, and it will generate working code, run tools, or give suggestions right inside your project. And if you're just starting out or want to move quickly, Firebase Studio supports rapid prototyping using natural language. There is a tool called the App Prototyping Agent, powered by Gemini, where you can literally describe your app idea in plain English or even upload sketches, images, or drawings, and it starts building your app for you. You don't even have to write any code to get started. That's perfect for brainstorming, pitching, or just testing ideas before going into full development. Firebase Studio also makes it easy to bring in your existing work. You can import projects from GitHub, your computer, or even designs from Figma. It supports tons of languages and frameworks like Go, Java, Node.js, Python, React, Angular, Flutter. So no matter what you are working with, it fits right in. Plus, you can start from templates if you want to skip the setup phase and get straight to building. Another bonus is the entire environment runs in the cloud on a full virtual machine built on Code OSS, which is the same core used by VS Code, and you can customize it to your liking. It even supports Nix if you're a power user who loves fine-tuning their dev setup. And when it comes time to test and launch, Firebase Studio connects directly to Firebase and Google Cloud. So deploying your app or website is smooth and fast. Now let's talk pricing. Firebase Studio itself is a free to use, and you can even increase the number of workspaces by joining the Google Developer Program. So yes, you can explore and build without paying upfront. So that's it for today's video. These three AI tools are just the beginning of how AI is replacing the way we build apps and write code. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next one.